harder. We believed in that concept. We no longer believed in it. I did do the arithmetic and I said, why am I going to make somebody mash up my womb? And maybe you're not even the right man for me. Maybe the right man now going to come to me about 65 years old. Why am I going to make you mash up my womb? You don't even have a ring on it. And back in the days, there were the ladies who wanted the big stick. And I did the calculation and I said the bigger the stick is, the bigger it's gonna stretch. So me did go small. So me just there with one look at Chinaman who I'm married to. We were together for 14 years and I have 6 beautiful kids for him. And it look at tiny, so like a L.A. Lewis. Look at tiny, you know. But when he was ready to work, it was a good size. Breed me and give me 6 kids. While them used to boast on me, oh, them man out drink trunk, back on, ram it and all kind of something, and now them turn out.
7.
So let me get this straight. You're bigger than 7 inch, right?
Takesha, come here. Could you give me a minute of your time, please? It's urgent. No one waste some more time with him, Takesha. Come go yard. I'm a lad. Me and Silent good for have a ticker people. Alright, Mr. Lewis. See you next time.